Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify two-factor authentication in KuCoin. This process is vital for securing your digital assets against unauthorized access. We will cover downloading the Authenticator app, linking it to your KuCoin account, and using the generated codes for enhanced security. It's a straightforward process that adds a significant layer of protection, taking only a few minutes to complete. To begin, download the Google Authenticator application onto your mobile phone. Once installed, navigate to the security settings within your KuCoin account. There, you will find an option to enable two-factor authentication. You will then be presented with a unique QR code. Simply scan this code using your Authenticator app or manually input the provided secret key if scanning is not possible. Once your Authenticator app is linked, it will immediately begin generating a new 6-digit verification code every 30 seconds. Return to your KuCoin security settings page and carefully enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app into the designated field. After entering the code, click the Activate or Confirm button to finalize the two-factor authentication setup for your account. With two-factor authentication now active, you will be prompted to enter a new 6-digit code from your Authenticator app each time you log into your KuCoin account. This extra step significantly enhances your account's security. Furthermore, this code will also be required for critical actions, such as initiating cryptocurrency withdrawals or changing important security settings, providing robust protection for your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.